హలో సార్ రామ్జీ గారు సార్ హలో సార్ సార్ రామ్జీ సార్ వినపడుతుందా సార్ రామ్జీ సార్ సార్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి సార్ ఒక్కసారి.
హాయ్ హరీష్ గారు, గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ అండి. రామ్జీ సార్ ఉన్నారా లైన్ లో?
ఉన్నారు, మరి ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడాను, మరి కాల్ అయితే మాట్లాడాను సార్.
అవునా, ఒక్కసారి సార్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని. రామ్జీ గారు సార్. మేడం టుడే అందుబాటులో ఉండండి మేడం. నేను
అదే పెట్టారు, వాట్సాప్ లో మెసేజ్ పెట్టారుగా. అర్చన నమస్తే.
ఒక్కసారి అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని మాట్లాడమని చెప్పండి ఒక్కసారి.
ఎవ్రీబడి అన్మ్యూట్ అండ్ టాక్. అందరూ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని మాట్లాడండి. టుడే ఇస్ ది లాస్ట్ క్లాస్, వీ కెన్ స్పీక్ అవుట్. స్వప్న, థ్యాంక్ యూ. నాగేంద్ర గారు, గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సార్.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ మ్యామ్.
అర్చన నమస్తే. ఐ విల్ సెండ్ యూ ఇన్ ది వాట్సాప్ మై లింక్.
ఒక్క నిమిషం మేడం. సార్ లైన్ లోకి వస్తే ఒకసారి మన
సునీత కూడా వస్తానండి.
సునీత గారా? ఓకే
సునీత కూడా వస్తానండి. లాస్ట్ డే కదా, అటెండ్ అవుతాను.
అవునవును, ఓకే మేడం. నేను ఈ రోజు అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాను, జర్నీలో ఉన్నాను. ఒకసారి మెసేజ్ చేయండి మేడం సార్కి. ఒకసారి మెసేజ్ చేయండి.
ఒకసారి అయితే కాల్ చేస్తాను.
కాల్ చేయండి మేడం. అమ్మా
నేను చూడలేదు, మీరు నేనే కదా మిమ్మల్ని అన్ని చేస్తున్నాను.
సార్ సార్ గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ సార్. సార్ రామ్జీ సార్.
వస్తున్నారు సార్, వస్తున్నారు
సార్. ఒక 2 minutes సార్. మన ఆర్యవైశ్య కార్పొరేషన్ చైర్మన్ గారు కుప్పం ప్రసాద్ గారు మాట్లాడతారు సార్ మీతోటి. సార్ వినపడుతుందా?
వినిపిస్తుందండి
సార్. సార్ ఆర్యవైశ్య కార్పొరేషన్ చైర్మన్ కుప్పం ప్రసాద్ గారు మాట్లాడతారు సార్ మీతోటి. మాట్లాడండి సార్.
సార్ నమస్తే సార్.
నమస్తే సార్.
సార్ మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు సార్?
బాగున్నాను సార్, బాగున్నాను.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
మీకు కూడా సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఏంటి సార్ సంగతులు?
మీరే చెప్పాలి. బిజీ అయిపోతున్నారు రోజు రోజుకి.
కోవిడ్ కి కమ్ముకున్నాం కదా, కోవిడ్ అయ్యాక వచ్చి తిరుగుతా ఉన్నాం.
అవును, నేను చూస్తున్నాను. ఇగో వీళ్ళందరూ హరీష్ గారు, తర్వాత చక్కా సూర్యప్రకాష్, వీళ్ళందరూ రోజు ఫోటోలు పెడుతున్నారండి మీవి. మీరంతా డే టు డే నాకు వచ్చేస్తుంటది.
నమస్తే అండి హరీష్ గారు.
నమస్తే అమ్మా, నమస్తే
గారు అని చెప్పి ఆవిడే ఫ్రీగా ఈ సెషన్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్. ఇవాళ 5వ రోజు. చాలా బాగా.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్ అమ్మా.
సార్ థాంక్స్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. మీరు ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చినందుకు చాలా థాంక్స్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. మంచి కార్యక్రమాలు చేయాలి
సార్. ఒకసారి వైజాగ్ రండి సార్.
వైజాగ్ వస్తాను సార్. నెక్స్ట్ మర్చిపోయి నేను 27th వైజాగ్ 7th అట్లా వస్తాను సార్.
జస్ట్ మీ టూర్ ఐటనరీ ఇస్తే మేము రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాం సార్. మీకు అన్ని వి విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. మీరు వచ్చే ముందు తెలిస్తే మేము మిమ్మల్ని రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాం సార్.
ఖచ్చితంగా సార్, ఖచ్చితంగా నేను చెప్తాను సార్. వచ్చే రోజు కలుద్దాం.
ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చాలా బాగా జరిగింది సార్. పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా చాలా నిన్నటితో అయిపోవాలి, మాకు ఇంకో రోజు కావాలంటే పాప మేడం మళ్ళీ ఇవాళ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తారు. ఆవిడ మనకి అంతా కోఆపరేటివ్ గా అంతా చేశారు సార్. మేడం అను అని విజయవాడ నుంచి, అను గ్రాఫిక్స్ అని. అది థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ సార్. నిజంగా చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
హరీష్ గారు థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రసాద్ గారిని కలిపినందుకు.
వెల్కమ్ సార్, వెల్కమ్ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. నేను వీడియో ఒకటి ఆఫ్ చేస్తాను, ఆడియో ఉంటుంది.
Annapurna madam.
Hi, hi, madam.
Very nice explanation, really.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
I was really longing for this. Very
Thank
nice.
you very much, madam. Thanks for the review, madam.
I think I'm the senior most student.
Yeah, no, a lot of people are there. So many people are there.
Beautiful explanation.
Thank you very much, madam. You are following, I think, madam.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Anyone can talk. Arjit, hi. Arjit Gupta, hi. Rachi, hi. Chinaga, hi.
మేడం టుడేస్ లాస్ట్ సెషన్ మేడం.
Yeah,
ఈ రోజేనా?
our last session.
మిస్ అవుతున్నారు కదా మేడం.
సార్ మీది నెట్ ప్రాపర్ గా లేదు సార్, బ్యాండ్ విత్ లో ఉంటుంది, వాయిస్ క్లియర్ గా లేదండి. హరీష్ గారు
మేడం
వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు సార్, కొంచెం లోగా ఉంటుంది. నెట్ ప్రాపర్ లేదు.
సిగ్నల్ సర్లేదు మేడం.
అవును సార్ సిగ్నల్స్ ఎక్కలేదు. ఇప్పుడు పర్వాలేదు సార్, బాగుంది.
హరీష్ గారు ఏ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తున్నారు?
జాయిన్ అవుతాను మేడం. సార్
కాదు, మీరు అలా వీల్స్ మీద ఉన్నారేమో అంటున్నా.
ఫాస్ట్ గా వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం సార్.
నేను చెప్పాను కదా, అందుకే. మేడం స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చేమో చూడండి. అను గారు
స్టార్ట్ చేయమంటారా సార్?
మీ క్లాస్
సునీత జాయిన్ అవుతానండి, వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్.
మధ్యలో అప్పుడు కావాలంటే చేద్దాం.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
ఒక వాళ్ళందరూ వెయిటింగ్ 15 మంది.
ఓకే సార్, తను జాయిన్ అవుతుందని అన్నానండి, వెయిట్ చేస్తాను సార్. ఓకే సార్,
ఇష్టం వాళ్ళ ఇష్టం, నాకేం పర్వాలేదు
సార్. స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను, తను వచ్చాక జాయిన్ అవుతుంది.
I do not have any problem or objection.
Okay sir, okay, I'm starting. Hi to all, good afternoon. Today will be the most interesting part of the class. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ లేడీస్ అనేది మేకప్ చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా లేడీస్ కి, మనకి. సో వి విల్ బి డూయింగ్ మేకప్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ మనం పిక్చర్ కనుక మేకప్ లేకుండా తీసుకున్నప్పుడు అప్పుడు మనం ఫోటో రీటచింగ్ అనేది మనం ఫోటోషాప్ లో చాలా ఈజీగా చేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. విత్ ఇన్ 1 minute we can do that photo retouching. That will be the most interesting part of the class today. So I want to share you. Let me show you. Yeah. Look, a photo, how we can retouch the photo means how we can make the changes and make it a very bright and clear. I will show you. See this. How was this photo and how was this photo? Not the editor. I will show you other one. This was his makeup. I have done the editor. Yeah. Yeah, that one only. This one is the poster. After that, we will see how to make this poster. Two things we will see today. One is this one, and another one is the how can we edit the picture. Means this is the makeup picture, and I will show you the editing also. Means how to make the edit the picture without the wrinkles. If we have wrinkles in the face, dots, everything we can edit with the help of the retouching. Retouching, it is called retouching. Now I will show you how to do that. And after that, we will see this poster, general poster, how to make for the social media. If you want to do the poster with the help of the text, now this one easily we can do in the Photoshop. So I will show you how to, firstly, I will show you how to make the retouch. Take the general image, I will show you. Now, this is the original image. Let us first do this image properly. Means the skin will be very soft, and then it will be very nice. So we'll make the retouch. Firstly, for doing the retouch, layers, 7 layers. First, we had to double click that to open the lock. Afterwards, first Control J to duplicate the layer. We got the 2 pictures now. What we had to do is, after doing that, press Control I. Control I. Now it looks like a horror. Don't worry. Now we'll make it as a proper. I promise you later it will look very beautiful. After doing that Control I, we will make this. Here yesterday we have learned this blending modes. We will make this as we will like. Now it will go magically. It will be gone. 1, 2, 3, go. Disappear now. Later we'll make it disappear and we'll make it more beautiful. Go to the filter. Filter, other, high pass. Here, other filter. Check the filter option. Other, high pass. Now, if you select the radius up to 7, means the photo will be mostly the skin. Check the skin texture. Here is a very soft. We will take up to 7 here. According to the pictures, we had to check here the radius. Means it will be, if it is a 7, the skin is very very soft. We have to take up to 7. Okay, fine. Now what we'll do, whole body is in this same texture. What we had to do is make the skin proper texture, everything will be proper now. Make the layer mask. Layer mask means we have made the to do the proper layers. We will take the negative layer mask. Another press Alt, and here is the layer mask. This square one is called the layer mask. You press Alt and layer mask, and negative layer mask will be here. What we will do, take the brush. Go here, check this brush and make a little bit 26 pixels brush and make the flow up to 50%. And we had to check black here. Foreground should be black. No, foreground should be white and background should be black. What we had to do, go here, brush. And we had to select this one. Both will be selected. If we select and do here, it will go wrongly. We had to select this negative one and we had to go up the brush. We had to brush there and first one we had to keep the flow up to 50%. And if you go on rubbing there, you can get the skin, very smooth skin you can get there. I will make the zoom. Here if we check the skin, you can get the smooth skin now. Means the wrinkles, pores, everything will be gone after doing this retouching. You can make for your pictures also to look very brightful and beautiful. Do slowly. And don't go for the eyes or the lips, these eyebrows, don't go for here. Only do properly and slowly. And don't go for the highlight. Somewhere it is the white, don't go there. Only do up to the face, cheeks. This part you do. Don't go near down the nostrils also. Just with the use of brush, you do slowly. Now how it was changing, you are observing, I think. Square brackets, starting square brackets, you can make the brush small, and closing square brackets, you can make brush size big. Here we have to keep the black. Make the brush big size, a bit bigger size. So you can do fastly, but don't do fastly because we are the beginners. So you can do slowly. Whatever your work you are doing, make it very slow. Don't go near eyebrows. Only go to up to face part, here, and the skin part. So nice. If you save in the PST form, you can check here. Here the layers, what we have done. Later we'll save it as also PNG form. Down click here, select the PNG form, save. Okay. If I have black moles on the face, how to remove using this mat? I have shown you yesterday, no? Means how to remove the black moles. I took this picture for doing that. Spot healing brush tool. Make the brush big size, a little bit big size. Same as we remove the pimples, you can remove black moles also, anything. Same the same procedure for the black moles also. Using the tool we have done, spot healing brush tool, you can remove this. I think this was completed. I will change. I will save it and show you the original file. It's a difference. If I open the without edited one, then you can find the difference. This is the original one. If you can change, check the difference now. How the original one and how it is the edited one. A lot of difference is there.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Say.
how you took that small window at the side?
Yeah. What?
That girl's face now, that small window you took now. The mini version of this Photoshop at the side you took now just now. How did you do that?
This one.
No, not this. That where your cursor is now, before that Photoshop ka whole the thing was minimized, no, that side.
I'm not able to understand you at all.
Can you undo it? Before that you had taken her face towards left side. That all the tools were also coming now at the borders.
చిన్న విండో ఎలా వచ్చిందని చెప్పి అడుగుతున్నారండి మేడం.
What ఏమండి ఇక్కడ?
అది ఆ పెద్ద విండో రెండు కంపారిజన్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా.
File I have opened the new file. When we open, I have opened this file. If you open the number of files, CS6 we can open number of files. If you open again another file will, I have opened this girl file. Now another file also will be coming. Now the 3 files I have opened, 1, 2, 3. 3 files you can open any number of files here. I hope you understood. I hope you understood, madam.
Yes.
Just you go file, open any number of files, point file. Now point will be. The number of files will be there. Here. 4 files.
Yeah, ma'am, understood.
But you will get confused if you open a lot of files because you are beginner. Better to keep the less files when you are opening the window.
Okay.
I think this photo retouching, you liked, everyone you liked, I think.
బాగుందండి, చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ కనబడుతుంది.
Thank you. Now for this photo, if you want to do makeup, means if you want to do eyebrows, this kajal, lipstick, we will do that one for this. Take this one and we will do the makeup for this also. Check the first we will do the eyebrows. Means we will highlight the eyebrows, means just to make the darker eyebrows. Take this big selection there, go there and select the eyebrows. When we are doing the work, check up the layer where you have keeping that you have to check up first. For this one, I will take the PNG file. Change the dress type also from jeans to saree and also look also, madam, any advanced tips is there. Just remove the face and you move the face to there. There you can remove, madam. We can do, madam. Jeans to look. We can make that also. Just I will show you in that layer. Lastly, you remember me, Machana, madam. I will make that jeans means to change from jeans dress to the saree dress also. I will show you that one also.
Okay.
Just you remember me, madam. I will show you. That's. Let me show you this makeup. I will show you the last one, that one. Let me take the PST file, PNG file. Edited. This one you have here. We have edited now. PNG file. Now we'll make the eyebrows darker. Means we will highlight this. Means we will make the highlighted eyebrows. Go and check this. First we'll select the eyebrows. When we are selecting the brush, first we had to do with this brush. White was not selecting, means I have kept the selection in the layer, empty layer. In this layer, nothing is there. That's why it is not selecting. When I am selecting, it was not. It was taking, but it was not leaving. It was giving it out. Go to this layer and you select it. Now it was selecting. Afterwards, take the minus, it will minus this from it. We have already learned this option, I think. You remember, everyone? I hope you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Just make this. Make this hydros properly. Then what we have to do is mesh, adjustment, go for levels. This makes it brighter, darker, whatever you are doing, this makes it darker. If you observe the, when your pointer is moving, the hydros were getting darker. Press OK. Okay. Then deselect, Control D. Finished. The hydros are, means as if we have drawn the hydros are highlighted here. Afterwards, select this one. Go to the same procedure goes for the next one also. First, we had to check whether it is in this layer or not. Okay, our cursor, we have selected this layer. Now select the brush. With the brush, you select the other hydro also. Now we have selected the other hydro. Go for image, adjustments, go for levels. What we have to do, just move the slider to this side. Just a little bit, Yeah, it was dark. Don't move fastly. When you are doing the effect, do slowly and you check how it was moving. If it is lighter, move a little bit. According to the image, we have to do. This won't be suited for other image. When we are doing, just know the option or doing, when we do like this, it will be a photo, everything will be disturbed. A little bit we have to do. Okay. Afterwards, this will. Okay. Now the eyebrows are highlighted. Now this is the procedure how we can make the eyebrows highlight. Afterwards, now what we will do is we will make this eyelids a little bit brighter. What we will do is take this marker, elliptical marquee tool, and go check this layer. This is the square, but we have to make the elliptical round marquee tool. The mesh, adjustments. Go for brighter. You can observe that it was getting a bit brighter. Okay. Now remove the selection. Control D is the selection. Now you can observe that the eyelids are a bit brighter than this. Here, if you observe this one and this one is a bit brighter. Now take this, go here, select here, make a round here, go image, adjustments, and go for the brightness. Go here. Okay. No, Control D.
And since it's eyeballs, it should be matching the same number, no ma'am. The brightness.
What
The brightness level, the number you gave, number me reduce చేసుకుంటూ వచ్చారు కదా, brightness and పెంచుకుంటూ వచ్చారు కదా. So number ఏమైనా match అవ్వాలా? Because two eyeballs should
just
be the
moving
same
the
brightness.
slider, man. I will show you 1 second. And we are increasing the brightness. That's all. Increase or decrease the brightness. Image.
So that's what if
go for the brightness. Just moving the not about the number manaku anavasram anamata. Just move the slider.
రెండు eyeballs should be same match. It should match the color అని అట్లా ఏం ఉండదా?
ఇప్పుడు మనం చూసుకోవడమే మేడం. We had to check that this one and this one are getting match. No, ఇక్కడ వచ్చే నంబర్ ఒకే నంబర్ ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వాలని కాదు మేడం. అట్లా చేసుకోకూడదు ఎప్పుడు కూడా.
ఓకే. So the lighting వల్ల కూడా తేడా వస్తుంది.
Yeah. Lighting, everything will be differs. Each part will be differ. So when we are doing this, just make it as this. ఒక ఫోటోలో చూస్తున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మ్యాచ్ అయిందా లేదా ఒకసారి. ఓకే. Yeah, now both are equal. If you can check that both are equal. నేను రెండిటికి ఒకే నెంబర్ ఇవ్వలేదు కానీ both are equal in brightness. Siva garu, good afternoon sir. Siva Prasad. Sir. Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, మాట్లాడతారా?
Madam.
మాట్లాడతారా?
లేదు మేడం, క్లాస్ వింటున్నాను, ఇప్పుడే అటెండ్ అయ్యాను, కొద్ది లేట్ అయింది.
Okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah, now moving on to the, we have done for the eyebrows. Now we have completed the eyelids. Moving on to the kajal. After doing the eyelids brighter, we can make the kajal also here. ఒక బ్రష్ టూల్ తీసుకొని జస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక బ్రష్ తోటి ఒక బ్లాక్ లైన్ గీసుకోవాలి. ఈ బ్లాక్ లైన్ గీసేటప్పుడు we take the brush tool, make this brush as thin as possible. ఇక్కడ ఎంత తక్కువ పిక్సెల్స్, how many we have to keep the less pixels here. చాలా తక్కువ పిక్సెల్స్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. It was looking as an artificial, no, what we had to do. Now it was looking very artificialistic. So what we had to do is take here blur. A blur tool is there. You can see here a blur tool. Take this blur tool, make it as blur. I think now it was natural. Now it was like a kajal, while wearing the kajal. What we had done is, I will show you again. Take the brush tool, or if else you can take the pen tool. Pen tool, we can get very thinner. Stroke path, brush, okay. Delete. After that, go for the blur. Here, here blur tool is there. Take this blur tool, make a little bit smaller. Now it looks very natural when we see. As if she wore kajal pettukunnattugaane untundannamata. Again go here. Take this pen tool. When we are selecting, we had to do properly. That was only the trick we had doing here. Now go for the here blur. Make this as a blur. Make it as a minus. Now we have done for the both eyes, we have made the kajal. After that kajal, most ladies' most favorite part, I think we will do lipstick. Wherever we go, before we take the lipstick and we wear the lipstick and go. What we have to do is select here. Take here, select. Little bit of feather also you can, means select here, a refined wedge, a little bit of smooth one, radius here, feather. So what we have to do is image, adjustments, go for hue saturation. In this hue saturation, check the colorize. Now a little bit you can find the lips has come dark. Just move the saturation a bit brighter, lighter. Control D. Now you can find the lips are a little bit darker than before. This is how we can wear the lipstick. We can make the another color also. I will show you that one also. This is a natural color. We can make the other colors. A lot of colors we can make. Colorize. Move this hue saturation. You can find different colors. Most of people like pink. Okay, control. No, the colors like the lips are in pink color. This is how we can make up for the without doing that also we can make them. Very good tool. Yeah, you can enjoy with this. Beautiful, ma'am. Prachi, thank you, Prachi. Nisha ma'am, thank you. I hope everyone liked this. We have done two things. We say, I will show you. This is the retouching image. You can find the retouching image here. This is before and after. And after makeup in this one. This we have made the lips darker everywhere, everything. Very nice, man. Nagendra, thank you. Swapna, super man. Thank you, Swapna. Thank you, Nagendra. Next, moving on to the poster. I hope you enjoyed this one, everyone. I think. Next, moving on to the poster. So, makeup.
సో ఇట్లాగా ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ అవి కూడా అట్లాగా మనం అంటే వేరే చోట తీసుకొని అక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేయడం అట్లా చేయొచ్చా మ్యామ్ అవి
ఏ పోస్టర్ తీసుకొని చేయొచ్చండి.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ బొమ్మకి ఇప్పుడు మీరు చేసిన దానికి అలా ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ అట్లా ఏమైనా మార్చాలని అట్లా చేయొచ్చు.
మార్చచ్చు. ఐ విల్ షో దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, యు ఆస్క్ నో. వెరీ గుడ్ అవుట్. ఐ విల్ షో యు. Photoshop, you can do a lot of things. Okay, make this a big size. With the help of this spot healing tool, we can do it. Take this healing brush tool. Select the skin type here. Everything depends upon the selection only. This is the major part when you are doing this. We can make this as a black. Rings remove something. We will take something from the neck. Earrings. Yeah, I will show you the ruler lines you are asking. Take this one. I think this one. This one. I will take this one. What the essence. Sometimes it will be in different format when you are selected, only selected. We'll open it, paint, and we will save it as PNG again. And we had to open it. That was the problem. Sometimes in the Google, they will be in different formats when you check that one. Let me do this, I will save for you. After opening it, save again here. Save as PNG form. Save. Save. Close the page. Open in Photoshop. Now it will open. With the help of background eraser tool, I have erased the background. Take the square rectangular marquee tool. With the help of move tool, you move these earrings here. With the help of Control T, press Control T. Then make here, hold here and make this earring as a small size. Keep the ear as earring. Now we have replaced the earrings. I hope everyone got understood. This is how we can replace the earrings. In the same way, we can replace bindi, everything we can do. Yeah, basics are taught very nicely. Yeah, ma'am, if you know basics of the, you can. Rachi, I will say you later that the business card. Now coming to the, after this we are now doing the poster. Nagendra, that's really excellent. Thank you, sir. Nagendra, thank you, sir. We have changed here the earrings. In this way, you can change the earrings everywhere, everything with the help of this healing brush tool and spot healing brush tool. We can do everything. We can move, means we can remove this necklace and we can do this also. We can change this. What we had to do is go here, select the skin, and we had to do select here skin. These are all time-taking process. In 1 day we can't do everything. We had to do properly. Take your skin color, else you can brush the color with it. Here at a little bit was damaged, so later we'll do this part. Moving on to the poster, check the poster because the poster is also very important. If you want to do the poster this type, for the social media, we will make now the poster, this type of poster. First, check the image. Take this image. First, take the image. We have to take this image. For the social media, Facebook will be take the new image, take it as 1,000. For the Facebook, it is 1,000 by 1,000 pixels. We can upload anything in social media poster. 1,000 by 1,000 pixels. What we will do is take this image, rectangular marquee tool we will take, and image we can take this only up to this part. We can take this, take the move tool, and move this here. Sorry, we had to keep the rulers. Rulers first, before doing the work, I had told you yesterday, we had to keep the rulers. Prachi, now you can check. Go here, view, keep rulers. With the rulers, we had to check the rulers. Then we will come. Press here. Click on this here and drag, you will get here. So we had to drag from here. From here to here. Krishnasri, morning you also forgot to keep the rulers. I observed that. You have sent me the text visiting card morning. You didn't keep the rulers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that was I observed. Catch here and make the We had to make up to here only 3/4 part here. Okay, little bit. Yeah. Now okay. This side we have to get this. One thing we had to observe is the picture should not be stretchable. Means if we see the picture, you can understand. Means someone asks if you do after doing the work, no one should ask what is this. The picture is more stretchable. When we are stretching the picture, we had to do very much carefully. Catch here and make the stretch the picture and all the four sides very means make all the sides equal carefully. Now it was. What we will do is take the rectangle. Yeah. We'll make this as a green. Not we'll make this as this color. We'll go a rectangular way. Rectangular should not be filled. You have to take only the stroke. Stroke should be in white color. And also the rectangular. Thin. When we are doing this rectangular, we should not be visible in the upper side. So take this rectangular to the upper side. Only this part of the line stroke is visible and this part only here. After that part, hard work makes the green big. We will type that those text. Take here. Take the another layer. If we type there, with the help of this text tool, we can type here. Check this here. We had to do with the white color. How to get Krishnasri, what you are asking?
How to get another language, ma'am?
Huh?
Another language. Telugu.
I have installed the Telugu also there, then you can get it. It will take the lot of time.
Okay.
You have to install here the Telugu thing and that was the another procedure I will say later. Select this, change the font. The layers, yesterday we have learned panels, character panel. After this, you can change the font. This was not beautiful. So mostly take the impact fact. Impact will be very nice font. When we are doing the work impact, For the quotation sake, this impact font will be very nice. After selecting here, increase the size to 36. 48. After checking this, here the space should be decreased. Go here. Now over 60. Still, yeah, now okay. Then one more interesting thing I will show you today. I forgot this. This is also very important blending this. After doing this, in the layer styles will be there. How we can select the layer style. After doing the selection, go for this layer style. If we can select it, here another type of box will be coming when you have selected the layers. For the text, it will be most useful. These are the text styles when we are doing. Means drop shadow means a shadow here. You can see the drop shadow. And if we select this, it is not found. If I find here, you can a shadow here. If you can find this downly a black color shadow. You can find now. Observe clearly. I think. Later outer glow. If you want to get the glow around our text, you can find the white color glow around our text. This is the outer glow. This is the pattern overlay. I will say you. No, 1 second. I will say you. This one last I will say you. Gradient overlay means we can get the 2 colors in the text. If we go here, a lot of things are there. Yesterday we have learned the colors in the gradient overlay. For the text also, you can use different type of colors to make it beautiful. After that, color overlay. This is the red color text will be there. A satin. This is a satin type will be coming if you select there. A lot of commands are there. You can play with this. Inner glow means a glow will be coming inner side. After selecting this, if you press here, a lot of options will be displayed there. If you move on the sliders, means if you move the sliders here, you can observe the clear effect. Nothing happens. You select each one and you check what happens after selecting or moving the sliders. After this, go into the inner shadow. The shadow is a black color is displayed inner side here of the word. This is the inner shadow. Stroke, outline of the word means for every letter a black color outline is there because it is the stroke. Stroke here we have selected the black color and the size of the stroke is 3. Generally we have to take only 1. Then only it will looks nice and we can change the colors also here. If you keep the red color stroke, you can find the red color line around the line. This is called stroke. These things are very useful when you type the text. When you're typing the text, this will be very important and most useful things. After that, bevel box. You can find here a contour and then the text. You can find a lot of textures also here. You can change. You can see here the textures of the words are changing. I told you I will say you this pattern overlay. Means you can keep the pattern inside the text. Means you want to keep some photo inside the text. Press the pattern overlay and here you can press pattern. First we had to give that pattern. First yesterday I have told you create a defined pattern. For the defined pattern, what we have to do is if you want this photo, you have to take this in the pattern. I will say 1 second. We have to take this photo. What we had to do is we had to take this, select the marquee tool, define patterns. Edit, define pattern. We have selected this pattern. Okay. Close this. After going here, blending modes, layer style, blending modes. Here is a pattern overlay is there. If we select it without selecting that, which is generally this system given this at top. After when we go down, we can find this. We have defined the pattern there. If we select there, you can find the girl's face inside the letters. this is how we can we find a lot of pictures, letters in the social media posters in Facebook. You can find this type of letters with the text you find. After that, if you keep a little bit of stroke, then the letter will be very clear. But the stroke of the text should be only one, then it will look fine. Okay. Rectangular means a color was a bit dark. We make this as a light. Yeah. Now what we will do is, after that, getting the letters, move a bit down these letters. We didn't take rulers here also. Rectangular part, a bit we had to go up the side. Now going on to the here, we want this design. We will go for the design part. Yesterday we have learned here a custom shape tool is there. Go here to find the design will be there. Means for the designing sake, you can get here a flowers design, border design will be there. Design. Use more of bright for final adjustment. It means it depends upon the image, madam. Means when we take the image, brightness, if it is has a light, we can't give brightness more for them. If it is a less light, we can give a bit brightness to that image. It depends upon the means how the light has there for the image or not. It depends upon the image, the type of image, and the which type of image or the resolution of the image. It will be depending upon that brightness or less. No one can't means we can't expect now the how much we had to give brightness like that. I think the letter should be a size should be letter of the size should be a bit more size. 60. Take here a design is I am searching for that. Yeah, I found this. Take this design. It's very fine one. Here is color is not there. I took the same color is there, so we can give here white. Alt, press Alt, hold and move this. You got this. Keep the control T. After this, a small circle you take there. Here a circle, ellipse circle is there. Check the circles means here. Yeah. Let us take this circle here. Press Alt, hold and drag it. This rectangle, if you keep in white, it will be fine, I think. was fine. Take here a circle here, another circle. Where is the word photographer still? Okay, this is the final result of the poster. If you want anything, we can give here a small, take here custom tools, maybe custom pictures, and we can take this picture and we can do anything here. And change this blending mode. Before yesterday we don't know. Here you can change this as a highlight exclusion. This was initial purpose. We can play with this. This is the final poster of this. I hope you understood everyone poster. So yes. So yes. Very nice. Thank you, Archana madam. This is the completion of the poster. What we have. This poster I have made with a different poster. This is the last session. I hope everyone has understood this. Very professional, nice. Thank you, Usha. Thank you, Usha. This is how we make the poster. This is the basic thing. After learning this basic thing, just changing it. Yeah, I will see. Take this Jyotika. Amit. Take this another day. Copy here. Control V.
అది సెపరేట్ ఎలా చేశారు మ్యామ్? అది హెడ్ బాడీ
ఏం మేడం?
హెడ్ అలా ఎలా సెపరేట్ చేశారు? అది కిందంతా ఎలా ఇన్విజిబుల్ చేశారు?
Quick selection mode. Yesterday we have learned no that one.
అది
Quick selection mode. This quick selection mode we have taken yesterday. We have learned that. Quick selection mode we can select it in quick selection mode. I have made it with the use of refined edge.
Refined edge.
I made the picture very clearly. After that, I'm taking that model image. I will replace the head with that. That is only the way we can replace the face.
Okay.
Similar to that, we can find there and we can keep the head there. That's all. The resolution was not properly, but I'm just for the model sake, I'm showing you. Here also say do the same thing. Select this part. Image. I think it looks nice. A bit, not most. Thank you, madam. Nagendra garu, thank you, madam. Helps on just amazing, madam. More success. Thank you, madam. This is what the today's session. I hope you understood today's class, everyone.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్, చాలా బాగుంది మ్యామ్. అది ఇది చేస్తుంటే చాలా సింపుల్ గా అనిపిస్తుంది, కానీ చేస్తుంటే అవన్నీ ట్రై చేస్తుంటే ఆ ఫైన్ సెలెక్షన్ అవన్నీ చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంది. సో యూ నీడ్ మోర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ అనుకుంటా.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది మేడం, కష్టమే ఉంటుంది మేడం. ఫస్ట్ డే ఇట్ విల్ బి a bit difficult. When you practice it many times, you will get easily the that part also.
Practice many days and we need to know more. And we have to by heart kind of remember the tools.
Photoshop lo entante meer edi by heart cheyakalla, just the practice makes the perfect. Practice chestunte koddi vastundi annamata.
Right. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you very much, madam. Usha ma'am, thank you very much. What is difference between CorelDRAW? Just in the CorelDRAW, this is the most advanced than the CorelDRAW, madam. Because in the CorelDRAW LAS, this is Adobe version. This CorelDRAW is means a bit less version. This is updated one. Is the Photoshop. That's all. Nothing different. Everything will be Control Alt Control Z undo and open the O file. Everything will be same, but the a little bit updated version, madam. Achha, madam. Sapna, super class, madam. Thank you, Sapna. Sapna, matladachu. Unmute yourself and you can talk.
మేడం చాలా బాగుంది మేడం క్లాస్. నేను ఇవాళ చాలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశాను. కాకపోతే కొన్ని డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చేస్తున్న కొద్దిగా అవన్నీ తెలుస్తాయి అనుకుంటాను. బాగుంది మేడం అసలు క్లాస్. నాకు అసలు దీంట్లో ఫోటోషాప్ అస్సలు టచ్ లేదు. మీ క్లాస్ విన్నాక చాలా చేశాను మార్నింగ్ నుంచి.
వస్తుంది డోంట్ వరీ, వస్తుంది. ట్రై చేస్తే ఇవాళ ఒక్కరు కొంచెం వస్తుంది, రేపు ఇంకా పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా వస్తుంది.
బాగా పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా వస్తుంది. చాలా బాగుంది మేడం అసలు.
Thank you
అన్ని
very much.
సూపర్ గా ఉంది.
Thank you very much. Siva garu, thank you, sir. Siva garu, you can talk and
The person you call.
సార్ ఇంకెవరైనా మాట్లాడతారా? సార్
మేడం కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
రావట్లేదు
సునీత్ గారు రాలేదా? సునీత్ గారు రాలేదండి. But on behalf of International Vice Federation, our sincere thanks to Anu Garu for taking up 5 days Photoshop classes.
Thank you.
And most of the participants expressed their satisfaction. Just now also I'm seeing the chat box. Swapna Garu has written as super class madam and so many doubts were asked and so patiently. So ఆడవాళ్ళకి పేషెన్స్ ఎక్కువ అన్నారు. Maybe Anu Garu may be one of the examples for that. Madam, I'm really thankful to you and we look forward for to have our journey with you like this. మీకు వచ్చినవి ఏమైనా ఉంటే షేర్ చేసుకుంటే మేము ఒక మంచి కార్యక్రమాలు చేద్దాము, నలుగురికి ఉపయోగపడాలి అని అనుకుంటాము. జనవరి నుంచి కోవిడ్ వల్ల ఇలాగ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు చేసి చాలా మందికి చాలా చేశాను. లైక్ బ్లాగ్ క్రియేషన్ అండ్ HTML classes and many even these type of things. And frankly speaking, we started with Vedic maths.
Yeah, very fine.
For children as well as the grown-up people like MCOM, MBA, BTech students for about 1 week continuously. And we have given the participation certificate. We conducted the exams and given the prizes online. We have sent them to their houses. And first time in the history of India, we conducted a digital art workshop for 1 day. Nearly 300 participants participated.
Excellent.
And 564 participants registered. So like that, even paper craft for the benefit of the environment. Like this, we conducted many classes. And really, we are thankful to you for coming forward.
Sir, Archana Garu asking, can you start the artificial intelligence workshop?
Artificial intelligence, yes. మీరుని సునీత్ గారు ఫ్రెండ్స్ అవ్వచ్చు, కానీ ఎంత ఓపిక్గా అసలు 1 hour క్లాస్ అంటే మీరు 1.5 hours 1 hour 45 minutes కూడా చెప్పారు. మీరే కాదు పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ కూడా ఎమోషన్ అయిపోయి అసలు టైం తెలియకుండా చెప్పారంటే నిజంగా మీకు మాత్రం నిజంగా చిన్నవారైనా కూడా మీకు ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్పాలి మనస్ఫూర్తిగాని. అది మేడం.
And can you continue this class? We'll make the second time session, sir.
Yeah, today I have seen Archana Garu artificial intelligence workshop. And somebody even asked for Python. Why I'm not doing, even the whole June I kept quiet. Whole July I kept quiet. August you again started. We can conduct Python and artificial intelligence. Absolutely no problem, because people like you are there to help. The only thing is schools were open and exams may be there. That is the reason why I'm little bit slow. Actually, madam, why you should get many more participants? The problem is JNTU and Andhra University exams are going on right now. So the most of the students, they cannot join even though they are interested. So that is the reason why. Kani, you got lot of fans from YouTube.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So even I have seen that hits also. There are really good number of hits in the YouTube.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So we wish you all the best, Andy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Inkevala meer unte,
Someone is saying myself.
any participants, if anybody wants to talk, you can unmute and you can express thanks to Anu madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this platform. I have got a good opportunity to show my skills. This is the first time I'm doing the workshops.
You did it. Splendid.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Nagendra garu, how was today's class?
Yeah, it was very excellent, ma'am. Thank you, Ramji sir, as well.
అయ్యో థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, Anu, ma'am. It was a wonderful session, and we'll be missing you as well as your class, ma'am. So nice.
We too, sir. We too, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
గారు.
Thank you very much, sir.
We'll be hoping for the like much more sessions like this in the coming
Surely,
days.
sir. Surely. Next year, I'm going to keep the motion graphics. That will be very
Yes,
fun
ma'am.
and very
Thank
much
you. And
interesting.
as well, congratulations for your YouTube channel as well, ma'am. Yesterday I forgot to tell you that. Yeah, when I watched that Chinnamma Peddamma, that part I liked a lot, ma'am. Thank you
sir.
very much. It was a very nice animation by yours.
Sir, if you can subscribe my channel, you can
Sure.
find further updates.
Definitely,
also.
I'll be subscribing to it, ma'am. Thank you very
Sure,
much.
sir.
ma'am.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
all
sir.
the very best, ma'am.
మీరు నాకు చేశారు సార్, రామ్జీ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
సో మేడం,
I already said, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Madam Archana garu. Please conduct classes on the app.
అర్చన గారు చాలా బాగా మాట్లాడారు. నేను విన్నాను. మీ యూట్యూబ్ కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసినట్టున్నారు మేడం.
Yeah, Archana garu assisted, sir. What is your channel name? I will keep here.
సో కెన్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ ఏ డే?
What, sir?
అను గారు, కెన్ వి కాల్ ఇట్ ఏ డే?
Yes.
క్లోజ్
With a big heart,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
we can go, sir.
కావాలంటే ఉండండి, నేను ఐ కెన్ లీవ్ నో, నాకు ఇంకా చాలా వర్క్ ఉంది.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm on, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ వన్స్ అగైన్. నేను ఎండ్ చేయను, మీరు ఎప్పుడు కావాలంటే మీరు ఎండ్ చేసుకోండి.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because you are a co-host, you can end the session whenever you want. If you want, you can continue any number of hours. That's
No,
not
sir.
an issue.
Class I
నేను ఎండ్ చేయట్లేదు, ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఎండ్ చేస్తారు.
Okay, sir.
ఐఎమ్ ఓన్లీ లీవింగ్ పర్సనల్లీ.
I will give my channel link in the WhatsApp group, madam.
Yeah.
And everyone can check that. My Facebook link also, I will keep in that WhatsApp group. Ask Ramji. Shall we? I am also closing the session. Anybody wants to ask the doubts? I will keep in the WhatsApp group, madam. There, my WhatsApp, the Facebook link, and the YouTube link. You can check their updates, my updates, everything.
Ma'am, can I speak on session?
And madam,
Ma'am, can I say how, can I speak few words on the how you conducted session, ma'am?
you can talk, sir. You can talk.
Ma'am, myself, I am Vaidre Tujwal. So, ma'am, you have conducted a very good sessions for how to
You
create,
can on your,
how
you
to.
can on your camera, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Please on your camera and talk. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So, myself, I am Ujjwal. So, ma'am, you have conducted a very good sessions for very good session for graphics and everything. I am I'm very interested in Photoshop CS6, how to download it, how to use it. In my school, they have told how to
Which class
operate
are you studying?
CS6, but they didn't say. Ma'am, I'm 9th, ma'am.
Nice, very good, very good. Very nice. You have
Yes, ma'am. In my 8th class, they taught how to use Photoshop CS6, but I don't know how to download that app. So you have told that
You
registration
practice
link
yesterday?
and everything for joining it, and I have learned so many things.
Did you practice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Fine.
Ma'am.
I hope you practice.
Yes, ma'am. I'm practicing daily, and I was very surprised by those all tools, ma'am.
Very nice, very nice. Excellent.
Yes, ma'am. And thank you very much for the great session, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I'm closing this. Preetham Garu, sir will think about it. This app game, everything. Sir will think and do that. I hope everyone was clear. If you want, you can ask your things in WhatsApp. Thank you all. I'm ending this session. Thank you all, each and everyone, for supporting me and participating in this session.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
We'll be missing you with a big heart. We are saying bye.
Very nice, sir. Very nice.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir. Nalini.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, for
Bye,
all.
ma'am.
Bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
I do miss you, each and everyone. Okay, fine. Bye.